everybody, welcome to my channel. I have been loving the Dollar Tree lately because I've been just kind of into making new things. The Valentine's Day candy came out, or Valentine's items came out, so it's nice to see some stuff. But I want to try to start making more stuff for my Etsy page, and the Dollar Tree is the place to go. So we went to the Dollar Tree in Milwaukee a couple days ago, and then today I had to go to the Dollar Tree because there's a thing I wanted to post on Etsy, but I didn't have the weight, so I have to make another one. And so I'm like, we're gonna go to the Dollar Tree that I like going to because there's some, like, nobody buys stuff there. Like, I can always find some good stuff. Last time I was there, it was just completely a fail. But this time, you guys, I got some really good stuff and stuff that I was actually wanting to find on my list. So I'm gonna share with you guys what I got. So I make teacher gifts, and I use these pencils with the teacher gift that I made, and I always like to get the 24 pack. They make a 16 pack, and then there's a 24 pack. You guys want to get the 24 pack. For $1, you get a little bit more. You definitely want to go for it. So I got 2 packs because I plan on doing a teacher gift that I'm going to sell on my Etsy page. And then I made this eraser thing a couple weeks ago, and people are like, oh, I really, love that. And so what I wanted to do is I wanted to stock up on erasers. Now I really wanted to get these colors, the red, the orange, the blue, and the green. I really wanted these ones, but these are super hard to find. So then I'm like, okay, I guess I'm gonna have to get these ones, which doesn't have red in it, but it has pink. And then I thought, you know what, we're just gonna mix and match. So what I'm gonna do is actually just open all these packages up and just mix and match of them, because I can't guarantee to find these all the time. I did check the website on Dollar Tree, but they have just these ones, and I wanted those ones. So I wanted to save myself, doing something and having it look totally different. So I just bought a bunch of erasers that I'm just gonna mix up because I like the reds in it. And so I thought we got that going on. I am gonna work on a DIY video that I saw that's really cool, but I'm gonna make a video for it because not everybody has TikTok. But I needed a white duct tape for the thing that I'm gonna do, which I should work on it this weekend. Ben said he needed a pencil sharpener at school, so I'm like, fine, this is a pencil and crayon sharpener, he can have this. So I'm like, for $1. So this is what he wanted, and he needs that for school. So I'm like, you know what, kid, if you need stuff for school, you can have it, we can do that for you. So the next thing we got is I'm actually gonna make a Valentine's Day wreath. I should have gotten some colors to make spring, but I'm gonna make a Valentine's Day wreath with what I usually make with my my tablecloths. So I was gonna make maybe 2 of them. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I really like the pink and the purple, and then I was thinking of adding white to it, which I do have a couple things of white. And then I was thinking of doing like a light pink and a dark pink, and then maybe a white, I don't know. So I'm trying to figure out like what order I could do. I was thinking I could even do purple, pink, and pink, or I could do a red. I don't know what I wanted to do, but I wanted to just get these because it takes me a while to figure out what colors I want. I ended up getting some conversation hearts. Number 1, I was craving these, and number 2, I'm actually going to do a DIY with these, but I'm going to Mod Podge these, or spray them, because I don't want them to go bad after a while. So that's just what I'm going to do. So I got those, and then I was really craving some, so I got some later. I got some today that I'll show you guys when I get to that bag, but I was just really craving it. And then I found out, I didn't realize, but when I was at the Dollar Tree on Saturday, I bought more erasers that I totally forgot about. But these are perfect because I'm going to open them all up and I'm going to put them in something that I can use, so I can have them all mixed together for when I do my DIY project. Ben said he wanted to do SpongeBob for school, so I says that is fine. He wanted SpongeBob. It comes with a sucker. We needed 2 of them for his class because there's only 12 of them in here. But for $1, you can't go wrong. Like, this is the best place to get your Valentine's Day things, because you can't beat $1 for kids who just don't give a crap. Like, that's just all I'm gonna say. This is the first time I've ever saw this kind of stuff at the Dollar Tree. I know they sell tracks, but I've never seen the launcher. We have a couple launchers, but they're not the greatest. But I says, Ben, do you want to get this? He's like, yeah. So I'm like, for $1, you can't go wrong with Hot Wheels, you know, the launcher, because he likes that stuff to just go down. Graham ended up grabbing a magnetic tape measure. We have enough tape measures, but he wanted another one, which is totally fine, because that's one thing you can never have enough of, is tape measures and scissors. They both get lost all the time. All the time. Ben said he wanted some pastel colors, so they were Crayola and the pastel colors. I says, I don't care, because he is hardcore into art and just all that stuff. So I said, I don't care. Graham ended up grabbing some of the California scent car fresheners or whatever, so he uses these for his car. I'm like, go for it, whatever you want. He found these energy drinks. They're called Tweaker energy drinks. It's made in USA, so that's cool. I don't drink energy drinks. He does. He said he's going to be cutting back on them, but when you find some for $1, you definitely want to try those. So I gotta put those in the fridge for him. And then I was shopping with the kiddos, and I saw these Charms Mini Pops, and they're all cherry. Like, I absolutely love cherry suckers. Love, 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 love cherry suckers. They're like, it's just the best. It's just the best. That's all I can say. Like, anytime I get a sucker, I'm like, I want cherry. So, when I went to the Dollar Tree with my mother a week or so ago, I saw this turquoise one right here. I actually have it right next to my desk. I found this one, and I was so excited. And these Dollar Tree groups that I'm in, people are like, have you found any? Have you found any? They're all gone. And I'm like, I really like these. And number one, I like them because I can put my craft supplies in here. I can keep things organized, which is nice. Like, I have, I used to keep the baby formula containers. My son broke, no, I used to keep the baby formula containers, which is nice for storage. But I like to do this because I have markers that I use for my business, and it'd be nice to just keep my markers right in here. Bam, bam, thank you, ma'am. So I got them. I also want to have it where I can have it for when I do my bling stuff. I have, like, you know, a container, so when I want to go somewhere, I got it ready to go. So I just took whatever the store had, because these are so hard to find and they're so adorable. I mean, they're simple. And then I was also going to give one to Charlotte. Ben said he wanted one for his mini toys, but they only had purple and pink left, so I don't know what he's going to do. And I really like the turquoise one, but we will see. But Charlotte is obsessed with makeup, so we got her baby makeup for Christmas, so we're going to have her have a little makeup case for her to use. So I got 4 of these. That's all they had, but I was super excited to see these because these are so hard to find, and people just take them, I guess. Well, same thing as I did, but I have a use for them. I know a lot of people buy them to put labels on it and sell it, but I have a use to keep them for my storage stuff. I ended up getting 4 of these pink baskets. I do a lot of organizing with my PVC stuff that I have, and the baskets that I use now are fabric drawers, and they suck. They bend so easily, they just kind of suck. And I'm like, I'm no longer going to be buying fabric drawers, especially from the Dollar Tree, unless I need something that's very light. But I thought these are perfect for it, so I can put those right on the shelf and then just have my stuff already organized, ready to go. So I bought 4 of these baskets to use. I ended up getting some more conversation hearts again for the DIY that I want to work on. Benjamin found these. These are Sunny D liquid center gummies. It only comes in orange and strawberry, but I'm like, you know what, kid, if you want these, go for it. I've never seen these. We all love gummies, so I'm willing to try it. But yeah, Sunny D gummies. So that's a cool find. Now this is something I've been trying to find. I don't know if I have these ones or not. I don't think I do. If I do, I have like 1 or 2 of them. Okay, I have the silver ones. So I ended up, I'm going to make a Valentine's Day one with this. What I do is I use these as shadow boxes. Dollar Tree has some awesome stuff that you guys can use as shadow boxes. And why not? Why not? What I would do is, like, these are Piggy Banks. You would just put it this way, and you know, when you put the stuff in there, nobody would even see. And then I take the words off of that. So I found originally they just had one, and I'm like, oh, I wanted more. I see one that's all damaged, but that's just the bottom, so that's okay. So I got 2 or 3 of the pinks because I wanted to do some Valentine's Day stuff with them. I really love the turquoise, but I don't know what I would do with the turquoise, so I ended up just getting one of these. Now, if I do find something that's fun to do with these, I can always order these on the Dollar Tree. They are available on the website. But then the silver ones I can do always. I can always do stuff with the silver ones, so I ended up getting 3 of them. So I can turn this into a Christmas thing, or I can turn it into something. I even have some black ones that I have too, but those I'm gonna just turn into like a shadow box for something that I plan on making. These are something that I found at the Dollar Tree that I haven't seen before, but it's like, if you can dream it, you can do it. So again, it says glass, and again, I can take the back off and turn it into something. So I have an idea of what I want to do for some stuff. So that is everything that I got. It's really kind of a random haul, but I plan on doing a lot of DIYs. I will be doing some Cricut videos for you guys on how to do certain things, and it's perfect for these little projects. You guys can go and buy this stuff and do whatever you want. So that's what I'm going to work on, is, you know, working on some DIY videos, and we're going to work on some more Cricut videos. I have a long list of stuff in my head, and we're going to make 2021 the year to get some stuff done. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It helps me a lot by giving this video a thumbs up. And I will see you guys next time. Not sure when I'm going to go to the Dollar Tree. I do need to take a break, but you know what? With craft items coming out, the Easter stuff is coming out. I want to get ahead. I want to get ahead and get those items done. Those DIYs done, so you guys can get them too. Okay, thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye-bye.